Hey guys, how's it going? Danish here from Dan Talks, and yesterday we saw the launch of the OnePlus Nord 3. Let's unbox it. Alright, so right here on the inside we've got pretty simple and straightforward box. I'm guessing inside here are going to be a bit of, what are these, Nord stickers and books, and the SIM tray, did I just say tray? SIM pin. Here is the phone. Let's come back to that in a second. On here we have the SuperVOOC 80-watt charger, and obviously here we have the standard OnePlus red cable. Alright, let me just clean all that up. Alright, so let's get down to the phone. Let's open this up, and here we have it. Before we go any further, if you do like this video, please do like and subscribe. I've got a small little channel and your support goes a long way for me. Okay, so on the back of the phone, it's a pretty shiny surface, the OnePlus logo. We've got the triple camera setup over here. This is the 50 megapixel main camera, whereas the 8 and 2 pointless cameras, which I don't know why companies add, well, they're here. Now on the phone we have Oxygen OS 13.1, so that's based on Android 13, which is great. Alright, now the first thing I'm liking as soon as I'm looking at this phone is this display. It's the Fluid AMOLED with 1 billion colors, 120 Hz refresh rate, and on the overall just a really nice looking display. It kind of pops out as soon as you pick up the phone. Now on the inside of the device is the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset. That is amazing. That's flagship level stuff at what is basically going to be a 1400 dirham phone. That is amazing. Now, apart from that, we've also got 16 GB of RAM, we've got 256 GB of storage, a 5000 milliamp battery, and like I mentioned earlier, an 80-watt charger inside the box for SuperVOOC charging. So on the overall, really nice stuff. As far as the design is concerned, nice little curve on the back, you've got the flat edges, you've got the Dragon Trail glass, which is their own, and now every brand seems to be making their own glass. The phone also has IP54 water and dust resistance, and you've also got an in-display fingerprint reader. Last but not least, this is a 50 megapixel wide camera, and I don't really expect too much from a phone at this range, but here are some samples. On the overall, the camera performs decently in daylight. This is a pretty accurate representation of what the day looked like the other day. Selfies are fine, but portrait mode was destroyed by my hair, which isn't a big surprise. Unfortunately, night mode isn't this camera's strength, so don't really expect too much from it if you're planning to get one. 1,450 dirhams. That is incredible for the performance a phone like this is going to offer. You've got a flagship chipset, you've got a large battery, fast charging, 16 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage. There's really nothing much you can complain about. What do you think about the OnePlus Nord? Let me know in the comments below. And most importantly of all, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.